Hey, it's Luxury Fred, and I've got another great Rolls-Royce driving video for you guys today. This is the incredible 2020 Rolls-Royce Wraith Black Badge, and hopefully you've watched my other videos that I've made with the Wraith. You can click up there to watch them, including my review and impressions, and also a road trip I did in the Wraith in Southern California. The Wraith, which by the way in the trim that you see here is $461,000, is the two-door hardtop coupe, comparable to the Dawn, which is the convertible two-door Rolls-Royce. And this is a Black Badge. Black Badge is Rolls-Royce's new performance division, fairly new, it's a couple years old. Similar to AMG and Mercedes, these are more high-performance Rolls-Royce models. So this Wraith is actually the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever produced, with 623 horsepower, and it's just amazing to drive. So enjoy the driving and drone videos.
So I must admit, a little nerve-wracking driving a $500,000 car on a mountain road with a cliff on one side and the rocks on the other. Really no room for error, but it's a great driving road, whether you're in a car or a motorcycle. So the other impression or the other note is the extreme silence of the driving experience. Although this has the sport exhaust, and you can hear that a little bit rumbling when I step on it, totally quiet cabin, no road noise, no wind noise, no nothing, which is part of the Rolls-Royce experience.